Now I want you to hear what we have to say because we have a serious message of hope for the people of this country. So good evening, Jamaica. Everywhere I go, I hear the frustrations of the people, the despair of the people, the feeling that they were promised prosperity but have been left standing in the same place where they were 10 years ago. Some of them are worse off than they were 10 years ago. But I also see something else. I see the determination of the people. I see their love for their country. I see people who have not given up hope. And I want you to know that I haven't given up hope either, because this is a great country and we're going to make it great for our children and the future generation.